Here's a pair of Sony headphones, model number WH-CH520. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Pioneer Xumo TV via Bluetooth. First thing is we want to go to the Bluetooth settings on your Xumo TV. If you have a settings button on there, you can tap on that, or you can simply just go to the gear icon on top. Just go to the home screen, click on the home button, go to the screen here, and then we can go up right there, settings, click on OK. Then we're going to go down to Bluetooth devices right there, select on OK. And now you see a little spinny thing under next to available devices. It's searching for devices that are in pairing mode that's near me. Okay, so now we got to put these in the pairing mode. Okay, so if we look on one of the ear cups, you have three buttons here. Okay, we have a volume up, power/Bluetooth, and the bottom here is volume down. We're just going to use the power/Bluetooth button to put it in the pairing mode. We'll notice in pairing mode when the light down here is blinking blue, 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 blue. Okay, so power button here, I'm going to press and hold. I'm going to keep on holding until this light here starts blinking blue, blue. Still holding, blue, 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 blue. There we go. All right, now it's still searching. These are in pairing mode, and we're going to see if it finds it. I might have took too long here, but it's still in the pairing mode. Let me just click on the back button, and we're going to rescan it. Okay, so we're going to go back, and then we're back to Bluetooth devices right there. And now it's still in the pairing mode. It's blinking blue, blue. And then let's see if it finds it here now. Come on. Ah, there you go. Just popped up right there. I'm going to go down, select it, pair it. And give it 1 second here. And there you go. It says that it is now connected. And of course, when you're connected, you can increase and decrease the volume as well. You can see right there. Now, if you had issues where you couldn't pair it or you had problems like connecting, you can always reset these as well. If you need to do that, look in the link below.